Hello guys, welcome to my channel JM Info. I'm here to guide you today about registration of pharmacist in UK. So before we proceed, I will recommend you to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. So let's start. This is the official website. I will drop this link in the description. So this is the main page. You will click here on registration, and here is registering as pharmacist. When you will click here, there is a three option: UK recognized pharmacist, EEA qualified pharmacist, European Economic Authority, and overseas qualified pharmacist. So we have to click here if you have education outside UK. So here you will see complete detail about how you can apply for registration in UK. So there is an exam and some language requirements. So I will show you little bit. You can just open this link. Here you find complete detail about what education and training do I need to complete. There is three basic requirements: an overseas pharmacist assessment program, 52 weeks of pre-registration training in England, Scotland, and Wales. And after that, there is an assessment test, General Pharmaceutical Council, related to General Pharmaceutical Council. When you complete these steps, you can work as pharmacist in Great Britain area. So there is another file, information about overseas pharmacist assessment program, information about 52 weeks training, and final assessment test. You can download these files also, and you can read more detail here. And one thing that is very important and very difficult, not so difficult if we work hard, so you can get through that difficulty. So there is language requirement. I think so it is 7 in each in IELTS. So but you can read more information in that link. So I will just tell you a little bit fast about assessment of your education. If you have education outside of Great Britain, so you have to check this assessment framework also, because sometimes some countries education is not equal to Great Britain educational requirements, so you have to check that. So when you complete that assessment, you are completed your IELTS. After that, you will apply for overseas pharmacist assessment program in any university which offered that program. And after that, you will apply for training. And there is information about how you can find training. And very important thing, that is professional support. So you can read information about if you need any guidance related to job, related to training, and other information. So there is a professional support is variable. It is very helpful. So the process is very simple, but we need to work hard to get success in that process. So I hope so you understand the process, how you can apply. I will Right, that I will drop that link in description. So if you have any question, you can send us email. Thank you so much. Stay updated, subscribe my channel, and get your scholarship information. You can find information about scholarships, information about registration of healthcare professionals in different countries, and other documents information like verification of documents, bank statement, and many more. So please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much.